like sinora kegwere wekota bomb. Yes, so let's go tick. So Wemwega, welcome to the second part of the catchphrases that the Agikoyos use. I covered 5 of them in my last video. Now on this one, we are going to look at 5 more. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro. You can call me the village girl, as my friends do, because now we've become friends. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, I really need to get 1,000 subscribers. I do. And in the future, when someone will be watching this video, will be like, okay, at that time you did not have 1,000 subscribers. You've come far. I'm sure that will happen. So I am believing. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay? So the first one we are looking at is werigie namaku. Werigie namaku. And I think I am going to mix this with another one that is nihakumuade. Nihakumuade. You know, werigie namaku or nihakumuade. Yeah, so those two mean that you're on your own, okay? You are on your own. No one, I won't help you. So when I tell you, already, you know, like you're on your own, and I'm not telling you in a nice way. You really have to now think on your own or solve your issue on your own. I don't care, okay? Yeah, so yeah, so that means you are on your own. That is so mean, by the way. Now the next one is dasoka na marigo. Dasoka na marigo. This is used when you are not successful. Okay, when you are doing something but you're not successful. So okay, now literally it means if you went to the market to sell bananas and then you were not able to sell them, so you came back with them. Okay, so you came back with the bananas. That is what it means. I came back with the bananas. Dasoka or namarigo, or dasoka namarigo. So you were not successful at the market. So whatever else you will be doing or whatever else you do and then it was not successful, now we relate that to not being able to sell bananas. So we say dasoka or namarigo. So maybe I went out there to do something, but I was not able to, so I came back with the bananas. Dasoka na marigo. Okay? That means I was not successful at whatever I had gone to do. Now the third one, I don't know if I should call these catchphrases, but okay, fine. No, I'll just call it a catchphrase. Now the third one is wekuo muno. Wekuo muno or wekuo ta. People say wekuo ta. Wekuo ta. For example, what can I say? Okay, wekuo ta bomb. That is what people say, like wekuo ta bomb. I don't know why we relate. Okay, when someone says wekuo mono, that means you look really good. Either you're pretty or you're dressed nicely, so you look so good. So wekuo mono or wekuo ta bomb. I don't know why we relate this to bombs, because or the bomb is there. Wekuo actually means you're there. Wekuo. Okay, so I don't know why we relate this to bomb, but when someone says, siro wekuo mono, like siro kegwere wekuo ta bomb, or siro kegwere wekuo mono, or wekuo mono siro. Yeah, so when someone says that, it means you look really good, or you look very nice, or you're very beautiful. Yeah, so it can mean either of those things. So wekuo. Now the fourth one is when someone is pregnant. Now instead of saying enaihu, because in Kikuyu when we say enaihu, ihu is pregnancy. Yeah, I said that when I was teaching months, the names of the months in Kikuyu, because March is known as kehu, like kebig pregnancy. So I told you that ihu means pregnancy or enada. it means pregnancy. Now instead of saying that, you replace it with arete baking powder. Like, because baking powder is makes things like swell up, right? Like mandazis, they swell up because of the baking powder, right? So when you hear someone says that someone else has eaten baking powder, that means that they are pregnant. So you say, hey, arete baking powder. Yeah, so that means that they are pregnant or expectant. I don't know why we find these things hard to say, like enaihu, because enaihu sounds so rude. It's like someone telling you nyoko. Okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, that is true. Now the next one is when someone tells you haria ga konyitera hati kamera nyeki. Okay, so imagine me saying kegwire siro haria ga konyitera hati kamera nyeki. Yeah, so like that means that wherever you guys will meet, hey, the grass won't grow there. That means that they will either beat you, or I don't know what they will do to you, but whatever they will do to you, that place will be a historic place. Like, it will always remember that someone did something there. Hati kamera nyeki. That place like will never grow grass because of what they will have done to you. Oh my god, imagine like yeah, in primary school I think that happened, but they went to a primary school known as Ihigaine Primary School. Ihigaine, yani on top of a rock or a stone. Ihiga is stone or rock. So Ihigaine Primary School, and we used to fight a lot, I remember, and I hated fighting, but I did anyway. Like, so sometimes you'd find that someone would threaten, yeah, because that is a threatening statement. So they threaten and say, Rebecca, kwanza, hey, let me tell you, in primary school they used to call me Rebecca. Hey, I hated that name, but I hated the name Rebecca because everyone in school knew me. They were like, Rebecca. Yeah, they would call me Rebecca. I hated that name because the whole school, I was the only one who was called Rebecca. Imagine, until in class 7 or class 6. So we had another Rebecca. Yeah, Rebecca Wamuhu. I remember her, but she's my friend. So when someone would want to threaten you, they'd be like, yeah, so that means they're threatening you. Like, whatever they'll do to you, everyone will remember, even the spot where they where whatever they will do to you at that spot, it will remember what happened, so it will be historic. Yeah, I got threatened a lot, by the way, in primary school. Cause the head teacher at some point made us Kikuyu speakers. We used to write Kikuyu speakers, by the way, because I think I spoke better Swahili, but that did not make her. Because I'll tell you stories. Where tell you village girl stories. Not just tuachie hii hapa, tuachie haya hapa. Totigere hau maundu maya magisagie. All right. Well, there's another one. I don't know if I should also call it a catchphrase, but this should go to the Kenyan dictionary, because I'm sure you've seen these memes or this Kenyan dictionary, whatever. But then whoever came with that idea, kudos, that was good. Now this one should go to that dictionary, because let me tell you, whenever they want to ask if you've had something, like I know in Swahili we say sijasikia, so we say is your dig with it. Like whenever there's moshene coming, there's gossip coming, then they'll be like, have you had no iguete ngania, no iguete oria. Yeah, so and then you'll be like, is your dig with it. So that is something that even when someone has already told the guest, okay, guy, tamaka is your dig with it. Kai, kuradiri atia. Nema. So they say like, is your dig with it? Okay, so is your dig with it is I have not heard that, or the toy is your dig with it, I have not heard those stories. So like, please tell me. All right, not please, like you need to tell me right now. Dada was see what I see is your dead toe. Is your dig with Yeah, so that I feel like I should call it a catchphrase because people say it a lot. Because oof, we gossip. Jesus Christ, we do. Is you deal with that? And then by there, after people have, we're so funny because when someone wants to tell you something that they know they're not supposed to tell you, and then they say, "Kai niereke guire," but then they start with that niereke guire wajiro, and then they tell you, "Hey, kana digane na sio tati sia kwa nie niereke dei kare na maundu makwa dikwenda kwari," and then they've already started the gossip. Why leave you there? While you're guessing, like, what did they want to tell me? What did she want to tell me? And then they're like, hey, maybe I will kill you, by the way. If you start a gossip and then don't go on, hey, I will so you better finish that gossip, by the way. Unless, if you don't want to tell me, just don't start it, okay? You can't just tell me, nireke kwere wajiro. Hey, kana dikero ni ndaumira na sio. No, yeah, people say that and you're like, you already started, so who the hell is going to say that you're the one who came up with those stories? Alright, so that is the end of this video, or of this of the catchphrases. By the way, if I find out more, I will make a video. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. My name is Rebecca Wanjiru. No, Jete Tugage Sagi Kana Village Girl, as my friends do. Alright? So see you on the next lesson as we learn something new. As always, Tiwawega.